Okay, so hello students, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we'll see one more problem of quantum mechanics, and this question has been asked in your recent CSIR June 2023. बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. आप ये देखिए, दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्वेश्चन विच हैज बीन आस्क्ड दिस टाइम. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. What is the question? You can see the question on the screen. So there are two operators A and B, and the commutation of A with Hamiltonian is h cut minus h cut omega B, and commutation of B with H is h cut omega A. And at any time t is equals to 0, the expectation value of A on any state psi is psi. The expectation value of A is 0, as well as expectation value of B at time t is equals to 0 is iota. ये आपको given है. And if this is given, then find out the expectation value of A at any time t. किसी टाइम t के ऊपर आपको A की expectation value निकालनी है इस state psi में. So how will solve this question? So in this question, what I do, I will use the Ehrenfest theorem, and the theorem you already know. I'm just writing this theorem. So according to this theorem, d by dt of any operator, you can apply this on any operator, d by dt, and let's suppose at time t, I'm showing the time also, this is equals to iota over h cut commutation of h with A and the expectation value of this plus curly A by curly t expectation value, right? This is the Ehrenfest theorem, so we'll use this theorem. So see this term A curly A by curly G, so there is no any direct dependency of A on t, so I can put this term as 0. इस term को तो हम 0 put कर देंगे. Now see this one, HA is already given to you, तो हम इसमें रख सकते हैं, रखिए. So this will become now d by dt at is iota over h cut, and what is this HA? This is minus h cut omega and expectation value of this bt. I'm taking the time dependence, expectation value of b. ठीक है. अब इसे ध्यान से देखिए, हमें क्या चाहिए? एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू ऑफ ए चाहिए, बट यहां बी भी आ रहा है. सो समहाउ वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस बी. कैसे करें? देखिए बड़ा सिंपल है इस बी को हटाना. अगेन आई कैन यूज द एरनफेस्ट थ्योरम फॉर बी. I can write down this theorem for B. dB by dt is equals to iota over h cut, and this is hb curly b by curly t plus, so again this term is 0, so this is iota over h cut, and what is this hb? hp is given to you h cut omega at. so I will use this thing, but ये किसकी वैल्यू है? dB by dt. यहां तो लेकिन bt है. so what I will do, can I do it the second order derivative? कर दीजिए. देखिए, so this will become del square by dt square at is equals to h cut you can cancel. This is iota omega d by dt bt. Now you can put this value dB by dt from this equation, right? So from here I can put the value. तो रख दीजिए. This will become now minus iota omega as it is, and what is this value? Again you can cancel iota and iota. This is again iota omega into at, right? Now you can easily solve this. लेट मी जस्ट रिमूव दिस वन। अब आप ये इजीली कर सकते हैं। So this will become now del square AT divided by dt square, and what is this? This iota is iota square minus 1, so this is simply omega square AT, right? And I can also write it like this, del square by del t square AT minus omega square AT. Now you have to just solve this equation. ये क्या है? Second order homogeneous differential equation. You know the solution of this equation. I can directly write down the solution. So this AT will become now, क्या होगा AT? Some constant C1 e to the power ओमेगा टी। आयोटा नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, ध्यान रखना, बिकॉज ये माइनस में है, प्लस होता तो आयोटा हम लेते। सो दिस इज ओमेगा टी प्लस सी टू ई टू द पावर माइनस ओमेगा टी। नाउ आई कैन यूज द बाउंड्री कंडीशन एट टी इज इक्वल टू 0, दिस ए इज 0, सो आई कैन पुट एट टी इज इक्वल टू 0, वी नो this AT is 0, so this is C1 plus C2, so this give you C2 is equals to minus C1. So now this AT will become C1, I can take common, e to the power omega t minus e to the power minus omega t. Now what can I do? I can multiply by 2 and divide it by 2, right? So this will become now 2C1 and this is sin hyperbolic omega t. अब देखिए एग्जाम में आप यहां तक करके भी छोड़ सकते थे, क्योंकि आप ऑप्शंस देखोगे तो चारों ऑप्शन में कांस्टेंट का रोल ही नहीं दिया हुआ। आप देखिए साइन ओमेगा टी, साइन हाइपरबोलिक ओमेगा टी एंड सो ऑन, तो कांस्टेंट का रोल गिवन ही नहीं है आपको, तो आप इतना ही करके छोड़ सकते थे, यहां से भी आंसर आ जाएगा, ठीक है, एग्जाम के लिए। इसके आगे आप टाइम वेस्ट, आपका टाइम कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, तो टाइम बचाने के लिए आप इतना भी कर सकते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हमेशा इसी तरह के क्वेश्चन आए, हो सकता है इससे एक स्टेप आगे पूछा जाए। देन तो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ कांस्टेंट C1, ये कैसे निकालें? इसके लिए मैं ये इक्वेशन यूज करूंगा, जस्ट सी दिस इक्वेशन केयरफुली। Let's suppose this is equation 1. So I'm using from equation 1. See this equation 1. Can I say this BT is nothing but H cut you can cancel. So this BT will become minus 1 over iota omega dAT by dt. This is the value of BT, right? ये आप यहां से पुट कर सकते हैं। So this will become minus 1 over iota omega into 2C1 and just differentiate this one. So this will give you simply cos hyperbolic omega t into omega. So omega omega you can cancel, so your BT will be now I'm just writing here, so this BT will become now minus 1 over iota 2C1 cos hyperbolic omega t, right? Now अब देखिए कंडीशन गिवन है at t is equals to 0, what is the value of this b? Iota. So you can put at t is equals to 0, so this is iota 1 over iota 2C1 and cos 0 will become 1, right? So this C1 will become now 1 by 2. You can put in this one value of C1, So if you put the value of C1, let me just write down here. So this 80 will become now sine hyperbolic omega t. So this is the answer. Option B is correct, right? So this is how you have to proceed for this question. क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है इसमें? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू यूज द एरनफेस्ट थ्योरम, एंड दूसरा कि किस तरह से आप रीअरेंज करो इन चीजों को, किस तरह से यूज करें टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. फाइन. ऑफ कोर्स you like the discussion, so if you like the discussion just write down in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe our video, right? See you in the next video.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल.